Hey everyone, and welcome. Have you ever dreamt of wandering through cobblestone streets in Italy, sipping incredible espresso, and soaking up the incredible history? But maybe the thought of doing it solo feels a little daunting? Don't worry, I get it. For 10 years, I've been helping people plan amazing Italian adventures, and I'm here to tell you that solo travel in Italy is not only possible, it's life-changing. This video is your ultimate guide to planning your dream solo trip to Italy, from budgeting to uncovering hidden gems even the locals might not know about. We're going to bust some myths, share some amazing tips, and get you excited to book your own unforgettable adventure. Now, the word tour might make you think of those big crowded groups, right? But solo travel tours in Italy are totally different. Think of it as having an experienced guide showing you the highlights, pointing out the best gelato spots and secret churches, then letting you explore at your own pace. It's the perfect blend of structure and independence. My first solo trip to Italy? I wasn't sure about joining a tour either. I pictured a bunch of strangers I wouldn't connect with, but I found a small, intimate group tour focusing on the main sites, and it was incredible. I met some amazing people, made lifelong friends, and even continued exploring with them after the tour ended. That close-knit experience made all the difference. Let's talk budget. Solo travel doesn't have to break the bank. A budget-conscious trip could cost around 50 to 75 euros a day, focusing on hostels, local trattorias, and free activities like exploring parks and churches. A mid-range trip might be 100 to 150 euros a day, allowing for nicer hotels and more restaurant meals. And of course, luxury travel has its own price tag. But the point is, you can tailor your trip to fit your budget. Consider charming agriturismos, those farm stays, for a unique and affordable experience. So, are you ready to plan your Italian adventure? I've got tons more tips and resources on my website. The link is in the description below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your questions or dream Italian destinations. Let's start planning that unforgettable solo trip together. Ciao for now.